Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 120 FPS gameplay support test in the Realme X7 Max after doing factory reset. Yes friends, just a couple of hours ago I did do the complete factory reset of my phone. The reason is because recently after the software update, few of the users they are experiencing some kind of problems, and some users they did report that after doing the factory reset, the Realme X7 Max they did show that more than 60 FPS. I mean the games are supported with the 120 FPS. That is what few of the users they did mention. But right now I did do my factory reset, as you can see, completely. So on this date, about 7th July, as you can see friends, I did buy the phone 1 month back, but right now I did the factory reset because I'm getting plenty of requests that can we do the factory reset or not. So I want to try by myself and just to show you whether you can actually play the 120 FPS or not. Let me try to open this game. So this game actually supports the 120 FPS without any issues. As you can see here friends, that game has been opened successfully, and I did select the pro gamer mode, but still I am seeing only 60 FPS option, as you can see in the gameplay. So to show that as a proof this game actually supports 120 FPS, I did bring the Mi Linux device. So Mi Linux has got the real-time FPS meter on the top. This is a Mi Linux smartphone, as you can see, and you can actually play with the 120 FPS same game. So you may think I'm not using 120 FPS refresh rate, but let me just show you exactly. So in front of the camera only I'm trying to show you what type of refresh rate I'm trying to use. So all your doubts should be cleared completely friends. So even after doing the refresh rate, it's not increasing. As you can see, 120 Hz refresh rate turned on. There's no use. Let me try to even turn on the high performance mode. And I'm trying to turn on, and even I did turn on the smooth scrolling as well. Some people they do recommend to use a smooth scrolling. No, let me try to close the game and start again. Closed everything, and I'll try to start again the game from the beginning. So high performance mode, pro gamer mode turned on, smooth scrolling is turned on, 120 Hz refresh rate, everything is set. And right now you can see the real-time FPS meter. It's not increasing above 60. It's exactly staying 59. As you can see friends. So overall, even after doing the factory reset, the gaming 60 FPS it cannot increase after doing the factory reset. That's perfectly shown here right now in front of the camera. As you can see, this game supports 120 FPS, no issues. Other phones they were able to play the 120 FPS perfectly. So this phone has some kind of I think lock with the FPS, I think so. Even after doing the factory reset, I was unable to play this kind of FPS. As you can see right now, this phone was able to exactly play 120 FPS without any issues. The Mi Linux device, not only Mi Linux device, even the mid-range segment mobile phone POCO X3, the phone can play 120 FPS. iQOO 7, the phone can play 120 FPS, same game. But this game is not playable more than 60. I think it got locked, maybe some kind of software problem is there, I think so. So this is a quick update friends on the Realme X7 Max after doing the factory reset of this phone. There is no point at all doing the factory reset, I do feel. So touch sampling rate is not increased or not changed. Antutu benchmark score, there is nothing improvement in the Antutu benchmark score. And even in this kind of 120 FPS, there is nothing improvement in the 120 FPS. So I need to test the battery draining and the heating issues later on. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Bye.